Look out behind you, man. Humorous, look out down the hallway.
Ah! Got her.
Right there. You're right there.
She's laying on the ground.
Got him.
One op 4
Got him.
remaining.
Got him. This is why I use the SAS shotgun. Seth, get out of there. Get out.
You get out of
Come
there.
on, come here.
No.
Yeah, that's
It's only us. It's only us. And it's just
Why?
1v2.
I'll experiment with that later.
That's why.
I was trying to throw my Legion outside
Okay.
before you
Okay.
barricaded it.
Hold up. Don't.
Oh, fuck.
Genius.
Hey, buddy. I got
Keep 'em
down.
around.
Hold up. They're coming around.
Thank you.
Don't go near that window. Okay. Dude, get behind the table.
Oh
no,
shit.
don't do it. Don't do it. We'll just wait.
Ooh, shit.
Dude, get down. Get down.
Wait, what?
Yeah, they were over there. Frickin'
But
moron.
there was only one person left. They shot that door and then ran back around?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's called
Oh.
baiting.
Yeah.
And they're not gonna get me.
Because Max just isn't gonna move.
Yeah, because I've got the best
I mean,
position.
that works. Yeah, that's... Can't argue.
And they have 30 seconds, so they gotta enter in 30.
Yeah. So they're probably gonna... I think they're out of flashbangs.
Yep, they are.
A lot of...
Also,
They
you
used
got
them
your
all.
traps
They
Yeah.
used them all on the frickin' Jaeger.
on the Jagger.
On the Jaeger.
On the job.
Like that.
15 seconds. They ceased attempting to secure.
Fuck!
Crouched at the worst
Dang
possible
it.
time.
I laid down. I was
crouch.
crouching already.
You laid down instead of shooting.
Yeah, I know. I did because I was like, okay, they're probably gonna take a moment, so I'm gonna get behind the couch and shoot
I
them.
understand. I get it. I've done it before.
Yeah, I was gonna get behind the couch more, so that it's harder to see me.
I
But
don't even
still,
edit.
honestly,
even
that was a
edit
pretty good round.
introductions
So
on
I'm gonna
those.
actually
Fuck.
save. I'm actually gonna save that. So
Why do you say fuck? I
let's
don't edit
see.
introductions into
Thatcher,
my
do we have
videos
any
anymore.
heart breachers?
I just always...
Oh yeah, we've got Patrick as a Bana. So, Patrick, you and me are gonna team up, okay?
No.
Oh, why?
So I'm going in from the top of the plane.
Oh, okay. Oh,
I
oh,
actually have no idea how to get there.
yeah. Seth, you know what to do. We're gonna
I-
kick their ass.
What am I supposed to do?
Macarena.
Basically,
Mates.
get on the wing and shoot in.
Got it.
That's all you gotta do.
I can do that. I've done it.
Fucking A.
Find a
I
I can just
biohazard
shoot him in general
location.
if you want me to.
Yeah, that'll also work.
Yep, that would.
I'll just shoot them till they die.
Yeah, it's
Dude,
kind of.
That's the
Yeah,
best
so
plan
Seth,
ever.
if you're getting baited again, don't do it. Please don't.
They're doing that. It's
Well
doing
done.
that thing again. Where we're always
I might need Buck's shotgun though.
Hold up.
Okay.
So if you're going the wrong way.
I think
they're-
they're downstairs. Oh wait, nope.
No,
They're
they're right there. They're in the
Well,
room that
you
we
know
were
what?
in.
I was going the other way. I didn't see.
They're. Okay, Patrick. You see my
Yeah, I
camera,
see it.
right?
Yeah, I see
10
it.
seconds to
So we
insertion.
should go in through there. Oh shit, it's Pulse. They got a Pulse. So he's gonna be roaming.
I got a pulse, a mute.
Damn it, they
Biohazard
took my
container
shit.
located. Proceed to its
Pulse, mute, and
location.
frost. That's all we see so far.
Okay, hey, Patrick.
So I
We're
have to
entering through
run
the
to
top.
the other side of the plane
Go.
to get on the
Go,
wing.
humorous. Fucking go. God damn it.
Yeah, you do.
Fuck.
Okay, I'm entering through the cockpit with humorous.
Join.
Oh
he's
my
a-
god, what the hell?
You said
Oh, okay. They got a camera
Where?
in
Well-
the fucking hallway. Not for you, Patrick.
Oh, you can't even go in
Here, come on, let's go. Let's clear out the top.
Are they?
Let's go, let's go, let's
They're-
go.
So they're not in the basement, right?
Oh, I got an idea. No, they're not in the
Oh my
basement.
fucking god! Fuck, 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 I knew it! I fucking knew it! Please tell me you killed him.
I can say that I've never gotten an ace before.
You've never got an ace?
No.
Ace in general. Oh shit.
Well, you've had a pretty darn close to ace.
Yeah, I've had
You were
clutches
4 kills
before,
and then
but
somebody
I
took
don't-
the last one from you.
I had an ace as Caviera, Ella. I think I had one as Rook.
Okay,
Have
here's the thing.
Jaeger,
I play
Blackbeard,
best.
I
hold
guess
up.
Rogue
I'm gonna be
has-
mute again.
Glass.
I play best with Montana, but Montana is a support, so like other people get the kills, but they wouldn't have gotten the kills without me.
Oh yeah, no,
But they
no.
don't
You're
count.
a
They don't
great
count as
Montana.
assists, or they don't count as kills.
Ella.
But it's like,
Yeah, but still, you have your highest win ratio with Monty, right?
yeah, I think so.
Yeah. So
it might have
the
gone up,
kills
too.
really doesn't matter with Monty. It's more the win ratio, the win-loss
Yeah.
ratio.
Oh man, I remember my first time when I got a 5K with Monty. Oh,
Oh.
My
That
KD
was
ratio
epic as
is
fuck.
below 0.5.
Yeah, dude. That last time we were playing on that house and they had the master bedroom, dude, you were an awesome Monty. I mean,
Yeah.
like, you allowed me to blow a hole straight into their defense and then try and headshot a dude. It worked.
I'm pretty good Monty.
Yeah, you are.
I play
To the
aggressive
bombs.
with Monty.
Oh, fuck. Okay,
My KD is 0.48.
hold up.
KD is 0.4.
I'm trying to...
Like I said, only when I'm sober.
Only when you're sober. Love it. Wait. Geek. Do not seal
Don't
that
call
wall.
me geek. Jesus.
Sorry. Well, it's kind of like an instinctive reaction. I need your help over on A site.
10 seconds remaining. 5 seconds.
What?
I need your help on A site.
Phone is going off.
Being defused by Op
That's
4.
fine. Just getting text.
Okay, I need your help sealing this up.
Camera initiated.
And then I'll take this one. Move it over here. Okay, you got one more? Or is that a
Yeah.
negative?
Yes.
Can you move?
No,
please?
no, I don't. No, I
Okay,
don't.
you don't.
I
Okay.
lied.
No, that's fine, man. I'm gonna
I
install a
lied.
camera at A site. There we go. Taking this, placing it over here. Because fuck all y'all, this is mine.
Go faster, Legion traps.
Be advised, Op 4 has located a bomb.
It was Hughes, he jumped in.
Fucking got one of their shits.
I'm trying to get my operator stats, but I can't. It won't load.
Yeah, don't worry about that right now, man.
Both
Oh
of the
shit!
weapons are right there.
Fucking hang. Okay, so where are they coming in? A site.
Okay, definitely offices? Offices.
Seth. Be careful. Lean the other way. Unless you can't see. Fucking A. Okay, you answered yet?
Op 4 located
Okay,
a bomb.
they're at the doorway. They're at the
Protect it.
doorway.
Which doorway?
That one. I'm answering my phone. Cover
Oh,
me.
they hit the poison goose back by, and they're at B. I'm
Okay,
running
go.
over to B.
I got you. Oh,
Five
Jackal
friendly
just ate
operator remaining.
shit.
I just ate shit.
No, I fucking blasted away. Jackal. Got another.
Damn, my
This is
KD
why-
is not been good.
Son of a bitch knows how to use a shotgun.
Oh! I almost
All
had
friendlies
him.
were eliminated.
I am so salty. Oh, because he's fucking...
Destroyed.
No, because he's
Failed.
fucking Doc. That's who it is.
Because I suck
Oh,
at
dude,
getting
so they
shots.
updated the diffuser? Oh, they updated it, so it's no longer smacking, it's just got that little readout thing. That's so cool. I totally have not seen
Hear
that
it.
yet. I mean, that's the first time I've actually seen that thing, more or less.
No, dude, to be honest, a lot of people got a lot of silent diffuses.
Oh yeah, with the smacking of the thing.
Yeah, because they listen for the smacking instead of that.
So, oh my gosh.
I
that's
bet it got
hilarious.
a lot of people.
Oh man, So wait, what does it sound like now?
I think it's just beeping.
Electronics.
Oh,
just
so like a
jamming.
beeping thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dude. Why am I thinking of the Five Nights at Freddy's song?
Op
The
4
fuck?
located a bomb. Protect it.
Shit. Eat my dick,
I ain't like.
Wow, I can fire for a long time.
bitch. I'm picking this up. Alright. So, this is gonna be a pain in the ass. Here, let's seal up this. I'm gonna seal up this back wall and then hide in the bathroom for a bit. And then I'll place a camera
Down
on
to
the
10
inside.
seconds. 5 seconds.
Hold up, don't seal up that bathroom wall fully, please.
Op 4 has located a bomb. Be ready for hostile
Alt
action.
Z. Actually.
Okay, okay.
Plus Alt F9.
Okay, there's that. And just to make sure that they can't get the drone in here, we're gonna place this around the corner.
And I'm like, yo, it's the Big Rock hanging out with the homies playing some Art 6. What's up?
They're at the doorway. In
Oh, the main
A.
doorway, like usual.
No,
I freaking hate this spot.
they're at a window.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna get on cams.
Back off.
Watch my back.
Dude, I'm just gonna stay here. This is a great plan.
Okay.
Got the beard.
Watching. Okay,
They got the
check.
edge too. Fuck.
Okay, so I'm watching cams right now on A, on B. Shit. Okay,
Whoa.
they're in hallway.
Yeah, they're in main lobby too. Near it. The drone flash. One's going in is Thermite. He's not sure. He blinded himself.
Doke heavy.
His friends are
Just
coming in.
inside.
Oh, no, he's planting. He's planting.
Deployed a diffuser.
Bitch! 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 Fuck you! This is mine!
Op 4
He's a
up
savage.
Oh! Eat a dick!
Oh my god.
Oh!
How would you like to suck my balls, Mr. Garrison? Holy shit, dude.
Patrick, your genius is showing. Tuck him in. Also, that fucker's dumb.
Dude, I should go make
Fucking
like a
hell.
sandwich or something.
Dude.
I don't get it.
Shh.
4 last
And that's
operator
number
standing.
2.
Sorry, Parker. This guy's still just blanket.
Hostage secured.
I got it.
Initiate extraction. Secure the hostage.
Oh!
Op 4